What is up, YouTube? This is Zach, Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys aren't one of my subscribers already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up. On this video today, I'm going to be showing you guys a demonstration of a 16:9 aspect ratio with a couple different products that are a crowd favorite. The Sony 295 as well as a Screen Innovations Slate 1.2 16:9 screen with the backlit LED kit. Now this is just a aerial film of Hawaii in 4K. So check it out. 16:9 is going to be your most common aspect ratio, guys. It's going to support all of your standard programming for cable and a lot of Netflix and Hulu, Amazon, as well as gaming and Bravo channel as an example. It's filling the entire screen. This is like your television downstairs except for bigger, so this gives you more value versus a television because they're not currently making any TVs that are this big at this price point. So you can see this is producing just a beautiful image at a very reasonable price point. One other thing that I want to point out is how vibrant this picture is. ALR stands for ambient light rejecting. You can see we have a bunch of lights on, as well as the room is not painted, and we still have a very, very, very vibrant image. And it gets even better when you turn the lights off. Check it out. And obviously, the LED kit can be turned off like that, or it can also be turned down, which is cool. It looks like it's kind of flashing on the video, but it's not doing that in real life, just a heads up. But when I watch a movie, typically I'll turn it off. The LEDs are kind of just an aesthetic thing to wow your friends when they walk into the room. I think it looks pretty cool, but it does kind of take away from the picture. But with this ALR screen, it still keeps that picture super nice and bright and vibrant. It's awesome. I hope this helps you guys in understanding aspect ratio, 16:9, as well as a couple of the hot products. If you like this video, make sure to give me a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below. I'm gonna also show another video showing a 235 picture on a 16:9 screen so that you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. I hope that you enjoyed this video and found it informative. If you liked it, give me a big thumbs up. Till next time, guys, this is Zach, Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.